Let's open this real quick. So excited. Finally in. It's finally in. Can't wait. Let's put this in. I don't know if I'll have time today, but I'm not feeling good. Let's just see what we have stored with it and everything. Another sticker, heck yeah. Oh, I'm not feeling it. I'm trying to get through this. Been waiting for this to get back in stock. As soon as it did, finally got it. Can't wait to install it. I don't know if I have time today. Oh yeah. Got the hardware. I got everything on the car except this exhaust wise. Can't wait to get their intake, their bigger turbo. Can't wait to get that. Do a before and after sound, of course, with the mid pipe and the cat back. So that's gonna sound a lot nicer, louder, not too loud. Hopefully, should go check out my lady's car. I put on a 3-inch on her exhaust. It's funny because every time I go anywhere in her car, people ask me what's in it. They think it's maybe a V8 or supercharged something, but it's pretty loud. ZZP. Ooh, man, that's freaking nice. That is nice. Look at that. Ooh, that's nice. Fucking nice. Let's do this. Let's hopefully see how far we can get. So it was hard to line these up to get onto the mid pipe. So I thread in this bottom one first. Got this one going, put it in with the stud through here. And then I put the top one in, lined up, putting a screwdriver into that one and lining up this hole and putting that in. And then I put a screwdriver in there, lining up that hole, and tighten these two down to hold it in place while this is lined up with the screwdriver. And I pull that out, pull the screwdriver out with these tightened down, and hurry up and put in that stud, thread it in as much as I can, and got the nut started on there, tighten it down and tighten everything down. So everything's all in place right now and really tight. And only could get one bolt in to the new bracket, so I have this bracket in too, but I couldn't line up that one. That one's a little off, but I'm not gonna shave it down or mess with this. So it's pretty tight, everything's really tight, so I just put that one bolt in on that side. But later I'll try to shave it down and make some room in there. Right now I don't have time. I'm gonna just put everything together, but everything's in there. Got the heat shield on there, heat shield all on it, tightened down, everything's buttoned down. So I'm gonna put this cover back on and see how it sounds. Let's check it out. What's up, guys? We're gonna test drive this with the downpipe, mid pipe, and the cat back now, all three installed. So we're gonna do the inside test drive. It sounds a lot louder, but I don't know if you can tell with the inside cabin noise. And I'm roll down the window too when I get in the street. So right now I'm gonna turn the AC off and crack the windows just a bit. Oh, I don't know if you heard that little crackle. Woo! Damn, that sounds nice. It's a gurgle and crackle. But yeah, I got another video coming up too. I don't know if I'm gonna post this one first or after, before the other one, but I also got the 3-inch pipe installed on the cruise. So it has a downpipe going all the way through to the back, all like 2, and then from I think mid pipe all the way down from the rest back is 3. So it's pretty sick. That one's pretty loud on the cruise, so should check that one out. Pretty loud, but this one's decent now. I like this one a lot.
TikTok.